Welcome to my review of Hair Restoration Laboratories, where I will share my honest experience using this platform. Hair Restoration Laboratories specializes in providing effective solutions for hair loss, offering products designed to promote hair regrowth and restore hair thickness. From shampoos to topical treatments, they cater to both men and women dealing with various stages of hair thinning and balding. Upon visiting the website, you'll find an intuitive and user-friendly design, which makes it easy to navigate through their range of products. Each product is well explained with detailed descriptions, which helps customers understand how to use them and what results to expect. One of the standout features of Hair Restoration Laboratories is its commitment to quality. The products are formulated with clinically proven ingredients designed to support hair growth and strengthen existing strands. Their best sellers include the Hair Restoration Shampoo, which claims to cleanse the scalp while nourishing hair follicles, and the topical solutions that promise to reverse hair thinning. But how effective are these products? Based on my personal experience, and after reading customer reviews, it seems that the results can vary depending on the individual. Some users report noticeable improvements within a few months of use, while others don't see significant changes. It's important to note that hair restoration is a gradual process, and results will depend on the severity of your hair loss. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. While Hair Restoration Laboratories offers a variety of treatments, I do believe the website could improve its customer support. I had some difficulties getting in touch with a representative, which can be frustrating when dealing with a sensitive issue like hair loss. Additionally, the prices are on the higher end compared to other brands, which may be a concern for some. Overall, I think Hair Restoration Laboratories is a solid choice for those looking for a reputable hair restoration solution. But it's not without its drawbacks. The products are effective for many, but there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to hair loss. If you're looking for an alternative, or just want to explore other options, I recommend doing your research to find the best solution for your unique needs. If you found this review helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews. Your support helps me create more valuable content. Thanks for watching.